Okay. Lesson 32.
Lesson 32.
A Quiet Life.
A Quiet Life.
When Mr. Finch retired,
When Mr. Finch retired,
he built a small cottage
he bought a small cottage
in a seaside village.
in a seaside village.
The cottage was built in 1588. The cottage
The cottage was
Built?
built in 1588,
88, but it was very good condition.
but was in very good
Condition.
condition.
Mr. Finch was looking forward
Mr. Finch was looking forward
to a quiet life,
to a quiet life,
but in the summer holidays,
but in summer holidays,
he got a shock.
he got a shock.
Hundreds of tourists
Hundreds of tourists
came to the seaside village.
came to the seaside village.
Mr. Finch's cottage
Mr. Finch's cottage
was the most interesting building in the village,
was the most interesting building in the village,
and many of the tourists
and many of the tourists
came to see it
came to see it
from morning till night.
from morning till night.
There were tourists
There were tourists
outside the cottage.
outside the cottage.
They kept looking through windows,
They kept looking for windows,
and many of them
and many of them
even went
even went
into
into
Mr. Finch's garden.
Mr. Finch's garden.
This was too much for Mr. Finch.
This was too much for Mr. Finch.
He decided to drive to the unwelcome visitors away.
He
Decided
decided to drive the welcome
visitors.
away.
Visitors.
Visitors.
So she put a notice in the window.
So he put a notice in the window.
The notice said,
The notice said,
if you want to satisfy your curiosity,
if you want to satisfy your
curiosity, come in
come in
and look round.
and look round.
Price
Price
10 pence.
10 pence.
Mr. Finch was sure
Mr. Finch was sure
that the visitors
that the visitors
would stop coming,
would stop coming,
but he was wrong.
but he was wrong.
The number of visitors increased.
The number of
Visitors increased. And Mr. Finch spent every day
And Mr. Finch spent every day
showing them round his cottage.
showing
Them,
around his cottage.
I came here to retire,
I came here to
Re-
retire,
not to work as a guide.
not to work as a guide.
He complained.
He complained.
In the end,
In the end,
he sold the cottage
he sold the cottage
and bought a small modern house.
and bought a small modern house.
It is an uninteresting little place.
It is an interesting little place.
Ulangi dulu. It is an
It is an
uninteresting
interesting
little place,
little place,
and no one wants to see it.
and
No one wants,
wants to see it.
but it is certainly
But it is certainly
quiet
quiet
and peaceful.
and peaceful.
Okay, now the translation. Terjemahannya. 3, 2. Habis ini kita lagi ya. Ya? Ya. Pelajaran 32.
Pelajaran 32. Sebuah kehidupan yang tenang. Ketika Tuan Finch pensiun, dia membeli sebuah pondok kecil di desa Tempirau. Pondok itu dibangun pada tahun 1588. Tetapi dalam kondisi yang sangat baik, Tuan Finch sangat menantikan kehidupan yang tenang. Tetapi di liburan musim panas, dia menjadi terkejut. Ratusan turis datang ke desa. Tepi pantai pondok Tuan Finch adalah bangunan paling menarik di desa, dan banyak turis datang untuk melihatnya. Dari pagi sampai malam ada turis di luar. pondok. Berina terus kalian melalui jendela dan banyak dari mereka bahkan pergi ke kamarnya Tuan Finch. Ini keterlaluan bagi Tuan Finch. Dia memutuskan untuk mengusir pengunjung yang tidak dikehendaki tersebut. Jadi dia memasang pemberitahuan di jendela. Pemberitahuannya mengatakan jika Anda ingin memuaskan rasa ingin tahu Anda, masuklah dan berkeliling. Tujuan Tuan Finch yakin para pengunjung akan berhenti, tapi dia salah. Jumlah pengunjung meningkat. Tuan Finch bisa setiap hari mengantar mereka memilih atau datang ke sini untuk pensiun, bukan untuk bekerja sebagai pemandu pelulu. Pada akhir dia menjual pondok itu dan membeli rumah kecil modern.
Sama gurunya
adalah
admin
kecil yang tidak menarik dan tidak ada seseorang pun yang mau melihatnya, tapi jelas tenang dan damai.
Oke, good. Nah, sekarang jawab soalnya ya. Mengerti ceritanya toh? Bagus. Thank you.